US, UK, and Germany indices showed a major swing yesterday. All of the indices hitting the highs and showing a major pullback later with the US session. Today, again, important event. We have the Jackson Hole Symposium and we have the Chairman Powell's speech and comments which will be watched out for, and that will definitely bring lot much of volatility. How to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, the DAX and the UK 100. We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first with S&P, followed with NAS, then Dow Jones, and in the end, Euro, Germany 40 and FTSE 100. Watch till the end. Look at the hourly charts. Now see the drop, the retracement. See, higher highs are seen here, and then this sharper slump has been observed here. See, moving averages have crossed over here on the sell side. Prices are just willing to retrace. It is showing good bullish momentum. It can keep moving towards 5600. Now 56, 5620, which was the resistance earlier, it is going to be the resistance today as well. And as long as it respects the zone, we have to be careful. We should not be treating this as bullish as long as it respects 5600 and 5620 zone. I think 5600 is going to be a very good resistance today. The stochastic overbought, MACD rising. It is trying to cross over from the bottom and it can keep looking upwards. RSI rising as well. On the 2-hour charts for S&P, similar observation. See, after a long while, it has breached below the 50-period moving average. Now trying to come up, but I think by this time, see, yesterday I mentioned that it has hit the highs and it has reversed. Now see, it is trying to come back and fall within the zone. I do not see that happening. Possibly 5600, 5620 is not going to be breached today. This is going to be definitely a difficult zone to break past by. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI rising. On the 3-hour chart, charts, you can see this. See, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. It can keep moving towards 5600 at best. In fact, I can look forward to 5610, 5620 zone as well, but I can say that this is definitely going to be difficult to break past by. What is happening after the drop? It is retracing. What it can do is this: it can keep moving here on the upside and then take a sharper dip towards US session. The stochastic rising from the bottom, MACD bearish, RSI rising. Signs of bullishness are there. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, after multiple attempts to trade below 20-period moving average, now see, since couple of weeks it has been trading above 20-period moving average, and now it has given a break. Thus, I can say that possibility exists that it can keep moving with bearishness and it can reverse again. The stochastic is rising here, MACD is bearish here, and RSI is showing a little rise. Coming to on the daily charts, look what has happened yesterday. First of all, higher highs are seen, lower lows are seen. 5560 to 5640, 80 points zone, the median at 5600. 5600 very critical for it to break beyond. If it stays above 5600, then we can expect it to keep moving towards 5610, 5620. Any move beyond 5620 is the sign of reversal, else it is still not to be treated bullish here. Yes, possibility exists that it can keep moving towards 5610-20 zone, and from those levels a sharper reversal can be expected where the prices may turn bearish, where in fact it can break 5540 levels on the downside and keep moving towards the 20-50 period moving average, which is sitting at around 5500, 5450 levels. Stochastic coming out of the overbought zone, MACD rising, RSI at top. Considering this, it is very simple. I will recommend you to buy at 5600. And before I give you the selling entries, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. Now, as I said, on the daily charts, it is still delivering higher lows. It is still delivering higher highs here. And thus, as long as today 5580 and 5560 zone is not taken, we have to be careful here with the sells here. Considering this, buy at 5600, expect 5610, 5620 levels, which are achievable and which is definitely going to remain critical. And till 5620, I will say, in fact, you should put a 5 points trailing stop loss, not more, not less, just 5 points trailing stop loss, such that even if it reverses from 5605, at least you are securing in profit and or break even. And thus till 5620 you have to be cautious. Beyond 5620 we can look forward to bullishness here, where the prices will move towards 5635, 40 first target, 5655, 60 the next. On the downside, a selling entry now is at 52 80 levels, below which you can expect more bearishness. Below 50 to 80 is where you can expect 50 to 70, 60 levels. And if it breaks below 50 to 60 today, stay short. We are looking forward to 50 to 40, 55, 40 and 55, 20 levels. Be careful. Any drop below 55, 60, 55, 40 zone is going to bring extreme bearishness. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq 100 likewise drop retracement higher highs, then it has taken a break here and it has breached this bullish channel and it has hit lower lows here. Now after the drop and towards 19500, which is indeed a very good support, it is trying to recover. Now remember, the support levels earlier are going to be the resistance 19600, you can buy, but then 19660, 19700. Be careful till 19700, and it is only and only if you see Tech 100 trading above 19700 you can expect that it is reversing. Stochastic overbought. MACD after hitting the lows willing to converge crossover for the buys. RSI is rising from the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour charts, similar observation here. Yes, it is trading in this bullish channel. After a while now, it is trying to converge. It has shown slight signs of bearishness, and thus it can continue to trade bearish. It can deliver a bearish candle. It can drop again later. It can move towards 19700, 750, and from those levels, a reversal cannot be denied. Yes, we can expect a reversal from those levels as well. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI rising here. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. On the 3 hour charts, it appears that it is delivering gradual steps. Possibly a bigger candle may appear later, which can take the prices towards 19700, 750. And from those levels, a reversal will be seen. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI also showing a bit of rise. On the 4 hour chart, the observation is similar. See, after a couple of weeks, after staying above 20 period moving average for a while, it has given this break. So I expect that this might continue, but it appears to retrace a little. It can retrace like this and then take a fall. Be watchful. Yes, it is oversold, and on the 4 hour chart, the MACD is still bearish and it is looking downwards. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily, look at daily charts here. A preceding candle, it has come down to take the support here, 19500, 480 zone. Provided it a very good support, and these are also higher lows. It has also filled the gap towards the beginning of the week. And yes, higher highs, higher lows are seen. It is still staying in the zone. Very important for the prices to trade below 19500 today. That will be the confirmation that we are looking forward to more bearishness. And as long as it stays above 19500, 480, we should not be treating this as bearish. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone, MACD is in green trying to converge, and RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy today at 19600, expect 19625.30, 19660, 19710. And once it stays above 19710, 19750. So I do not see it breaking 19750, but yes, these are markets. If it breaks beyond 19750, you can say that the bulls are back in action, and then we will look forward to a good rise towards 19828.30 again, which I do not see it breaking today. On the downside, possibility is there that there could be a downside here where prices may take a sharper drop, sharper hit, sharper slump. And once it trades below 19, 545, 50 levels, take a selling entry, expect 19500, 480. And if it trades below 19480, stay short for 19400. Below 19400 is where the bears are waiting, and then we will look forward to 19250, 200 levels very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow. US 30 on the hourly charts. After this drop here, it is retracing. It has come down to the resistance zone here at 4800, 4850, which is going to be a very good resistance here. It was the support, it is going to be the resistance here. Any move beyond 4850 and 4900 levels, you should treat this as a bullish reversal. Notice this, after staying in the box for a while on the hourly charts, it has taken the slump. It is now come down to the resistance zone here. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. It is trying to bounce back and look upwards and stay bullish. RSI rising, coming out of the oversold levels. Coming to 2 hour charts. After a while, prices are seen trading below 2050 period, and now it is again reached the 20 period moving average, which is definitely a good resistance. Till 40,850, we should not be treating this as bullish, or it is not in a buy zone. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI also rising here. On the 3 hour charts, also showing a reversal sign. It is forming a nice wine glass formation. You can see a bigger handle, though it is tilted on the downside. See, look at also the candles here. This zone, you can see first a very good resistance, a flat top at 4900, 950, 41,000. Greater resistances are available here for US 30 on the upside. It is retracing, hitting the highs. It is again going to take the slump. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI rising. On the 4-hour chart, the observation is same. See what is happening here. It is diminishing bullishness is seen here. For these two candles, it can possibly move towards 48, 68, 900, and from those levels, reversal will be seen. The stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI is flat, and on the daily. Now, this is important on the daily chart. See, first of all, as I've mentioned yesterday, bullishness getting diminished. Also, what it has done, it has delivered higher highs and it has delivered lower lows as well. Where the median is, if you see the complete 460 points here, and if you draw the median is at 4800. Now 4800, 850 is going to be the critical zone for US30 to break beyond, and if it stays above 4900, that will increase the chances for higher highs here. Else what is happening, it is retracing, and a sharper drop can be expected later in the day, maybe chairman with the chairman policy speech. Trading with divergence from the 20 period calls for it to converge. Also, it has hit the lower highs here. Stochastic dropping from the overbought, MACD is in green and RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy US30 if you see it is staying above 4850 levels. Expect 4880, 900 levels here at the first resistance zone, 49 60 second, and then 41,020, 41,100 levels will be seen. I do not see that happening, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at now 47, 4750 levels. Expect 4700, 650, 600, and then 4500. Below 4500, another 150 points towards 4350 can be expected, and below that we can see a sharper correction towards 4200 level. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Germany. Germany 40, after hitting the highs here, see it has come down to the support zone. Where is the support here? At 18430. Very very good support here is seen between 18430 to 450 zone. What has happened? Hitting the support, it is trying to bounce back, and now if you see it is staying above 18500, you can expect it to move towards 18520 and 18550. Any move beyond 18550 is a sign that we can in fact look at 18600 levels. Stochastic rising here, MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI is also showing a little rise. On the 3-hour chart, see similarly, see it is again come down to take the support from the 20 period, taking the support, trying to bounce back. Also, the support is very important and very crucial at 18450, 430 zone. And now with this as support, you can see this is a second greener candle. We can expect it to rise a bit more towards 18500, 520 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI rising, signs of bullishness. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation after the drop, taking the support, rise is bit gradual. As long as 18550 levels are not taken today, we shall have to be careful here with the bias. Yes, we can see stochastic at bottom and trying to bounce back. MACD bearish and RSI showing slight bullishness. And on the 4-hour charts, after the reversal sign, we have seen symmetry. It is retracing. It can come down towards 18500, 520 and reverse from there. Be watchful. Also, very very important to see these three candles where you can find a very good support at 18430 levels here. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD bearish, RSI rising here. Coming to daily DAX on the daily charts. Now look at the formation. Higher lows are seen, and it appears it can keep moving towards higher highs, which suggests that the DAX might take the prices towards 18600 levels. Possibility is higher here. It has formed a very very good base here at 18300, 320, and now it is looking upwards. Yesterday was a swing candle. Today it is started with higher lows, and it can keep moving towards higher highs. Be watchful. DAX is still not showing any signs of bearishness. Stochastic overbought here. MACD rising, RSI rising. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 18500. Expect 18520, 550, and then we can look forward to 578 and 600. Till 600, extremely stronger resistances exist for the DAX. Take your trades accordingly. And on the downside, a selling entry now is at 18400. 50 levels, expect 18430, 425 first target, 18400 the next, and then 18360. Any drop below 18360, 330 is a sign of reversal. You can expect a symmetrical formation, and then a sharper correction can also be seen here. So as long as today 18550, 580 zone is not taken, we can expect a reversal here in DAX. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at UK. UK 100 on the hourly charts. See this formation rise, retracement, forming the support at 8270, then higher highs, then retracement, forming the support at 8280, and also every time it is giving 20 points plus. So now higher highs and higher lows. Just connect the dots. It appears the highs for now are at 8340, 8350 zone. So if you see it is staying above 8320, I will recommend you to buy UK 100. Moving averages have crossed over, trying to stay bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. Signs are bullish here. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, forming the support. It is trying to bounce, trying to rise. Possibility exists that we may see higher highs. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. Signs are bullish here on the 2-hour charts as well. And on the 3-hour charts, I will wait for the next candle to appear. See one bullish candle retracement rise here, and it could continue here with the within the channel here, where the high is now at 83 28 340 and the lows here at 8260 might be respected. Yes, there is a sign of rise. RSI and stochastic and MACD all are showing slight bullishness, and on the 4-hour charts also, after the rise retracement taking the support now, trying to bounce back, possibility of 834050 exists. And yes, here also MACD, RSI and stochastic all are showing a little rise. And on the observation is similar. Higher lows are seen, possibility of higher highs, which means 833540 zone, or in fact 8350 zone is possible. I do not see those prices staying beyond 8350, but yes, chances of a little retracement on the upside exist strong. After dropping here sharp, taking the support from the 20 period, now first, second swing and third bullish candle may appear. Chances of this appears to be high. We can look forward to 8330, 8340 zone. On the downside, a selling entry now I will only recommend if you see it is staying below beyond 8 to 80 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 8 to 60, 8 to 50 levels. And if it drops below 8 to 50, you can say that the bears are back in action and a sharper correction will be seen. Chances are there that UK 100 might trade and then later in the day dip with USD. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. That will add a lot much of clarity to your trading decisions with the US session and with Chairman Powell's speech. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.